Hey traders, happy Thursday. This is Ron Haid at Market Tamer. As always, nothing in this presentation shall constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Trading stocks and options involves risk, and specific financial issues should always be addressed with your financial advisor. We'll kick off here with the Qs. They did bounce the 50-day today, so we opened up sort of flat to down, and then we rallied, finishing near the highs of the day. Volume was pretty good, but we're still below the 5-day EMA in blue, below the 20-day EMA in red. With the 5 below the red, that is a short-term sell signal, but we're holding up at the 50. If the 50-day falls in orange, right down to the 200-day would be the target. Take a look at the S&P via the spiders, which I have a long-term bullish position in. It was up just over 0.5% today. Got back above the 50-day, but still below the 5 and the 20. Again, 5-day down through the red line, which is the 20-day. That's still a sell signal. And if we take a look at the Dow via the diamonds, it's the ETF itself is clinging to the 200-day. Overall, gang, the bias into Friday, and unless something changes on Friday, even in the next week, is going to be neutral at best here over the short term to bearish. With us below the 5 and the 20, that gives the bears the edge. The longer term trends are still up, but right now we're having some profit taking come in. The stock we talked about a couple days ago, which was Starbucks. This thing gapped down on closing of stores. Lower guidance, etc. It's been down. It's only been up 1 day, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 out of 7 days. Now today, if I zoom out to a year, give you a little better perspective, it is a hammer-esque type candle. However, we still finished down over 2.5% on the day. And if I go back 5 years, which is the chart I showed you from before, this is the support zone. We aren't there yet. Unless there's a dramatic turnaround tomorrow and there's a major rally, this is looking bearish for the stock. More than just a day or two. This is not good at all. The next earnings report, according to Thinkorswim, is not till the end of July. That's still a month away. All right, how about Nike? This stock is jumping after hours. It was up as much as to 78. If we take a look right now, let's actually pop that. There we go. It's trading right around 78, 79. So, Nike's doing quite well. After hours, this will be new all-time highs for that stock. See how it opens up tomorrow. Here's Accenture. This one gapped up on earnings, and it just cleared multi-month, or you could say all year, new highs. So the entire year, it's gone sideways. Now we just popped out. If there's a confirmation, close higher tomorrow, that is really bullish for this one. DBX, you might know it as Dropbox. Stock went nowhere since going public, basically, 28, 30-ish, sometimes 32s. And then it just got shot out of a cannon on 6/14. 3 big up days, stock appreciates by 30% or so. Then we have 6 straight down days or 5 straight down days, 1 up, another down. And now we bounced and we've done bullish engulfing, although volume is not strong. Purely from a technical perspective, if we get back above the 5-day in blue and the 20-day in red, we sort of get up near that 30, call it 33, let's just say $34. The target will be back up there towards the low 40s. That's actually a pretty decent potential run. CVS and Walgreens are having some trouble. Amazon announced that they're buying PillPack, apparently. CVS was down 6% after having a nice little move here. Supports the double bottom just north of $60. And we look at WBA, which is Walgreens Boots. This was down nearly 10%. And if I go back 5 years on WBA, look where we are. We're challenging the support from 2014. Below there, it could just keep on going. These are big, big moves. If you remember back to when Amazon bought Whole Foods, Costco and Kroger sold off really hard, and they rebounded. Kroger back to where it was, but Costco to new all-time highs. We'll have to see if the same holds true for Walgreens and CVS. And the last one we'll look at tonight is Clorox. I talked about, let's actually go back to a 1-year view. When it broke by the 200-day, we had a nice little 2 mini-day pullback, and we just launched higher today. Target is the gap fill just shy of 140. That's it, folks. Wish you guys a fantastic Friday, a super weekend ahead. I'll be back with you in the weekend video. Take good care.